హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా వీడియోస్ మరికొంతమందికి రీచ్ అవ్వడానికి ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు మై ఛానల్. In this video we have to learn tense, names of tense or tense spellings. First one is 10, ten, 10. 20, 20, TWEN, 20, TYT, 20. 30, THIR, TYT, 30. Here R is silent. 30. 40, FORTY, 40. Next one is 50, FIF, TYT, 50. Next one is 60, SIX, 6, TYT, 60. Next one is 70, SEVEN, 7, TYT, 70. Next one is 80, EIGH, TY, 80. Next one is 90, NINE, 9, TY, 90. 100, HUN, HUN, DRED, dread, 100. Once again I repeat, TEN, 10, TWEN, TY, 20, THIR, TY, 30, FORTY, 40, FIF, TY, 50, SIX, TY, 60, SEVEN, TY, 70, EIGH, TY, 80, NINE, TY, 90, HUN, DRED, 100. In 10, how many ones are there? 0. How many tens are there? 1. 1 into 10, 10. That is 10. In 20, how many ones are there? 2. 0. Sorry, 0. How many tens are there? 2. 2 tens, 20. Here ones are 0 and tens are 3. 3 into 30, 30. 4 into 10, 40. 5 into 10s, 50. 6 into 10, 60. 7 into 10, 70. 8 into 10, 80. 9 into 10, 90. Here in ones place 0 is there, tens place 0 is there, hundreds place 1 is there. 1 into 100, that is equals to 100. ఇప్పటివరకు ఎవరైతే నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోలేదో ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు మై ఛానల్.